Hi, I'm Derek with Liminal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate with your team inside of a Liminal team space. Once you've gathered content together in one place, the real value shows up when you work it together with your colleagues. I'll walk you through inviting people in, adding additional context, and keeping everyone aligned without the need for a single meeting. Alright, this morning I got an email from my colleague Dom inviting me to collaborate on a team space, agentic identity, and access. I'll click here to view the space. The email takes me into this team space where I can see a lot of my colleagues are already here, as well as a Liminal expert. There's a lot of analysis and content already added. I can filter by different content types. I can open any content that's been added. To view additional details, I can also add comments, or click here to open this content in its own tab to go even deeper. I can check my notifications and I see that my colleague Jimmy has tagged me on a comment. Clicking on the notification opens this tagged insight. Here's Jimmy's comment. I'll acknowledge that I saw it and respond. Tagged reports have a simple preview with links to all the companies included in this report, use cases, segments, and other branching content related to this piece. I can mention a colleague of mine to bring her in. Inviting others into this space is very simple. I'll click share, tag a few colleagues, and click share. I can also remove coworkers who are no longer at my company. There's one more cool thing that I can do in this space. I'll open my AI assistant, and all the content in this space can be used to contextually chat with Liminal. Instead of clicking on lots of links, I can ask for a retrieval question like, does this company in the space support shadow AI agent detection? The AI assistant confirms that product capability is indeed present in that profile. In a new chat thread, I'll ask a more complex question which would require the agent to reason across multiple sources within the team space. Like where there might be potential white space in this competitive field. Alright, that's collaboration in a team space. Shared context, less back and forth, everyone working from the same picture. That's collaborating with your team on market intelligence. Next up, we'll show you how to utilize the Liminal Analyst Desk to work within this team space with you.